चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has admitted to irregularities in the NTA's conduct of the NEET examination. That's what we are breaking right now. Remember, this just comes days after protests by students across India demanding justice and Republic TV's relentless questioning. We have been unrelenting in our campaign, raising the voice of the students from the studios, from the field viewers. Republic TV has been ahead and asking the question to the government. Now, what we are getting to know and understand is that the minister has been compelled to admit that what really happened. Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, has assured the students and parents that strict action will be taken against those held guilty. Take a listen in to what Dharmendra Pradhan had to say.
छात्रों को कम समय मिलने के कारण उनके वहाँ थोड़ा रोष थी, उनको कुछ वैकल्पिक ग्रेस मार्क की व्यवस्था दिया गया था, जिसको भी इस बीच में सरकार ने नामंजूर करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश अनुसार 1563 बच्चों की पुनः परीक्षा की आदेश दे दिया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुझाव पे। दूसरा, 2 जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ियों की भी ध्यान आई है। मैं छात्रों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करता हूँ, उसको भी सरकार बड़े गंभीरता के साथ लिया है, वो जानकारी हमको मिली है। हम वो सारा विषय को एक निर्णायक स्थिति तक ले जाएंगे। उसमें कोई भी बड़े अधिकारी हो, एनटीए की कितने भी बड़े दायित्वधारी हो, अगर वो उनमें गुनहगार पाए जाएंगे उनको भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा और एनटीए में बहुत सुधार की आवश्यकता है।
My colleague Gopi, who has been tracking the entire story, is joining us live right now from New Delhi. Gopi, finally we do see that Dharmendra Pradhan, he has been reacting, of course, from day one on this matter, but he has finally admitted and he said there have been some irregularities as far as the NTA is concerned, and there is, in fact, a lot of improvement required.
Absolutely, Rakshita, and this has come after the relentless efforts of parents and students marching on streets, protesting in this scorching heat. Let's remember, we have been tracking the NTA officials since past 3 to 4 days. We have gone to the National Testing Agency's office at Okhla in New Delhi, but none of them have responded to us, saying that they are not authorized to give us any kind of statement. Now, this statement coming from the Education Minister himself, it shows that while he says that do jagah pe gadbadi hai, it means that he is also approving to the fact that there were cases and instances of paper leak. So he might be referring to the cases of Bihar and Gujarat simultaneously while referring to that. And yes, obviously we have been tracking this closely. Parents have been fighting. NTA does not have any response to this. Though, yes, Supreme Court had intervened and it had given a judgment to withdraw grace marks and to reschedule, sorry, to give another chance to 1,563 candidates who were given grace marks. They are going to appear on June 23rd. So we will just have to wait and watch if how many of these anomalies are going to be addressed by the central government. Back to you.
Absolutely, of course. That is indeed a big reaction that has come in on that. But also, Gopi, you know, I want to understand that what really happens next, what's really next in line for the students who are demanding justice. As you mentioned, of course, the court battle is also on. And now Dharmendra Pradhan has also spoken about those guilty will not be spared. But of course, it also remains that, you know, the question of a paper leak, you know, this should not be diluted anyhow. And there has to be strong action taken against, and also the compensation for the students, because there's a lot of time that has been lost.
Correct, Rakshita. So, strict action is already being taken while talking about the two states. Arrests have been made, and yes, investigation is underway. Talking about the re-examination, the debates are still on whether it should only be limited to 1,563 candidates, or is it going to go beyond this? So, we'll just have to wait and watch. Every day, students have been filing petitions, and Supreme Court has decided to hear these petitions on 8th of July. All the petitions, which also includes petitions which have been stated in the High Court. So everything is going to come to the Supreme Court at one go on 8th July. So we'll just have to wait and watch what happens in the Supreme Court on 8th of July. Back to you.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much, Gopi, for joining us with those updates. So that's the latest reaction we have from the Education Minister, viewers, that he has admitted there have been irregularities, that the NDA must improve and the guilty will be punished.